clouds, painting pale the outskirts of the town. All these days they melt away, and ours are far too few to waste. So before the next one's nearly gone, like the birds, let's fly off into the sun. Now the moon has risen from the trees, from the trees, and the sun has fallen on its knees, leaving just the stars for company. All these days they melt away, and each too beautiful a waste. So before the next one comes along, like the birds, let's fly up into the sun. All these days they melt away, and each too beautiful to waste. So before the next one's nearly gone, like the birds, let's fly off into the sun.